On the S10, Samsung added the camera cutout. That's what you see right up here in the corner. In this way, we can get more screen with smaller bezels. Now, some people don't like this, so today I'll show you how to hide the camera cutout. The first thing you will do is go down to Settings and into Display. From here you will go down to Full Screen Apps and you will enable the Hide Front Camera. Now you can see that it hides the front camera, so you basically have a small display here with a bigger bezel at the top. Now, I personally don't like this, but if you really hate the cutout, this is a very good way to hide it. See you in the next video.